What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video out in Torrance. Man, you know they got an outlet, so let's go see what's up. Just had to go to my family's house to go pick up some Jordan 2s. So yeah, so we happen to be in Torrance. We got Bossco. Check out Bossco's channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. 23K strong.
Trying to, man.
23K strong. All right, let's go see what they got here, man. I think they got 30% off or something. I don't know. All right. I thought this was just at the Citadel. Oh, okay. So it's the 50th anniversary, so it looks like everybody got a new display. Okay. Let's go see what's up. 30% off. Okay. So the apparel's not 40% off like at the Citadel. It's all different depending on their stock, it looks like. Oh, okay. All right, lately we have been seeing heat. Okay, I don't see much here, but yeah, we're gonna hope for the best. We're gonna hope for the best. It is 20% off, not 30% off, like some of the other outlets. That's interesting. Okay. Starting off with the shoe sizes. Look at this. I've never seen these before. I remember seeing these on Sneakers Live. What are these? The Quando 1s. These are Oh, look at that leather. All right, I'm not a fan of these. Really not. I like the fact that it's something different. I also like the fact that the leather is just amazing. But yeah, these are definitely interesting. Never seen them. And look at even the outsole right there. More like a dress shoe. These are heavy as balls. Holy crap. These are like 18 pounds. And there's okay, so this is a cover, but you can take it off because you don't have to keep it on right there. Okay, I thought these were like fancy Air Force Ones, but no, they're totally different. Okay. These are size 13. $180 is retail. You did get 20 off. Okay. Size 13's got interesting stuff at least. Okay. 12.5 Team Bank colorway of the KD13s go for $110. Air Max SC. I was like, are these the Air Max 3s? No, they're not. $80. These are the brand new Air Max Plus. These just came out. Someone already returned a pair. Okay. 185 plus tax. I do get 20% off at least. Okay. Size 10.5. I gotta try it out because I'm trying to find one of these for a family member. So I gotta try it out. See how it feels. Cushioning not too crazy, pretty firm, but it works like it's supposed to. You can take it on and off really easily. $120. Okay. Might look for this for family wear. Let me find out. Zoom type craters go for $75. Okay. Zoom trouts going for $130. These are baseball cleats. PG5s size 10 go for $90. KDs. Oh, this is an interesting colorway. NRG KDs right here. I don't think I've seen this colorway. Okay. $150. That's a little pricey. We've seen a lot of the KDs on sale. LeBrons right here go for $95. This is the last generation of LeBron 18s. But hell of a price, a special 20% off on top of that. Okay, $70-some. We got another set of these, size 12. Okay. Kyrie Infinity size 11 go for $130. Tempo Next Percent go for $100. Wow. I was just about to say, hey, they don't have any big sizes. Apparently they do. This area wasn't here before, that's why. Size 12 Air Max 97s go for $100. Really? $100 for these? And you get another 20 off? And you got like velvet right there? I've never seen these. $100? Wow. Got some blazers here, size 13 105. Metcon 6s $110. Size 14 Vaporfly Next Percent. Oh, Tempo Next Percent, my bad, $100. Oh, 110. Man, what the hell is wrong with me? Dude, got Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $110. Okay. And then bigger sizes, got a bunch of Vaporfly Next Percents, $120, $115 for this one. They probably just didn't mark that next one right there. The fly traps go for $80. That's it with the huge sizes. Oh wait, Immortalities, size 15 go for 70, okay. Apparently we walked right past the heat section. Bossco noticed that they do have a heat section here. That is new, that's totally new. Okay, they got some muslins. They also got the chili reds right there. Those have been hard to find, so that's a pretty nice heat wall right there. That looks like a thumbnail, damn. Duke got the Billie Eilish. I think I called these the Billy Elliots last time, and everybody's like, what the F? That's just full smoking. But yeah, Duke got these. I don't know what size it is. Man, that material's super, super good. Got muslins. Yeah, that is surprising. They have muslins, 10.5. Like, do I need these? Do I need these? Like, do I need these? Like, 2 bills for those. And then got to these. This is size 10. Size 10 of the Jordan 9 Chili Reds. And 9 would probably fit me, to be honest, because if I remember, the 9s fit kind of big. Haven't gotten a 9 in a while, to be really honest. Haven't worn a 9 in a while as well. Man, that's surprising to see those here. Those and the muslins, I think those are the biggest surprise. More Billie Eilish right here. Oh, is this the AJKOs? Yeah. Oh, I thought this was the Billie Eilish. AJKOs right here. And look, ooh, that's an interesting material. Leathery, plasticky. That's interesting. This is, what is this? I don't know, it's size 12 it looks like. Size 13. Size 13, okay. Got dunks right here. Got some grade school, 6.5 wide. Playoff 12s. Ones? I think these are women's, right? That nice material. Hot as hell though. 13s. Size 8 right here. And then these mugs right here. These are the, what the hell are these? These are the Jade 5s, okay. So all those pretty much retail price, and you don't get the 20% off. They don't limit you here, which is kind of interesting. Okay. All right, back to the regularly scheduled programming. We're going back to the clearance wall right here. Let's go 9.5 and under. Still got plenty of these acronym blazers going for 90 bucks. Okay. Got a ton, size 10 right here. Size 9.5 right here. New York Football Giants. $130, this is a 9.5. LeBron Witness is right here. That's the cheapest we've seen. The Witness 6 is 80 bucks for those. Okay. That is size 10. Oh, I've never seen these. Holy crap. Vapor Elites, they totally look like the Air Max 95 neons. That's crazy. I've never seen that. Man, these look fast as F. Holy crap. 2 bills though, size 10. Air Force One boots. Going okay. Size 9. Duke got Air Force One mids right here. This is a quick strike. Going for 140. Okay. What are these? Oh, San Francisco. Oh, not my size. Pegasus 38s Niners. This is the first time I've ever seen Niners one right here. They have $130, size 9. Air Max 97s going for $180, size 9. What is this? 8.5 right here. 8.5. Dude got some Air Force One highs. With that, oh, this looks like some pretty good leather. $120, normally $135. It's Nike by Susie right there. Okay. Some golf shoes. ADGs going for $110. Size 8. That black cement look, that is fire. Got that netting in the back, kind of emulating the 4s. Damn, okay. Another one of those. Way less dope colorway. That's an 8.5. These are going for $140. Then we got some $10 shoes. $9.97. Some racing spikes. And I think that's about it. Time to go to the aisles. Offline 2s, the extra premium $130 slide right there. Damn. Blazer Quartz. This is the canvas version of the Blazers. Why am I talking all slow? Blazer mids right there. These are the vintage 77. Dope colorway. Witness 5s. Soldier 14s. Witness 5s again. Series mids. Jordan Hydro 6. Jordan Access. Air Flight 89s. 270 Reacts right here. Another one of those. Holy crap, that's extra red on camera. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. I think that charcoal one's my favorite. I do have one of these black ones. Olive colorway. Damn, they got every one of them here. Holy crap. Got plenty of these. Ooh, I saw 3 last time. Now they got 4 of these. The Kill Shot 2 leathers. Last colorway right here. Got that extra good leather on those. Tailwind 79s. Let's throw that back. Venture runners. All suede. Oh, well, not all suede. Got nylon on it too. OG look. Got the last shot section right here. Look at this. Giving them away. These are the shoe for nurses. The Zoom Pulse. Wow. Wow. You want all white ones. Hella cheap. If you need a beater at home. Wow. Crater Impacts. Challenger OGs. Okay. Not too much going on here. I think we're gonna have to check out apparel. No, let's check out the women's and check out apparel. Women's out right here. Alphafly Next Percent. $265. Do you get 20% off? Vaporfly Next Percent. Another one of those. This is off of $200 instead of $250. This might be the best value in the women's section. Not bad. Do you got size 12? Size 12 women, 10.5 men's. Air Max 2017s. Speaking of value, Metcon 6s. Nope. None here. None here. Apparently that was the best value. More Air Max 2017s. Air Max 90s. And then 2090s. That's pretty much about it, dude. That's pretty much about it. That's the women's section. All right, this is open again, you guys. This is where you recycle sneakers. Damn, it's been closed like throughout the entire pandemic. I can recycle some now, man. That's dope. Keep forgetting to show what I'm wearing. I'm wearing some Cortezes. Nike Cortezes. These are the recycled ones. People told me, hey, you're like the only Asian dude that wears Cortezes. Might be true though, might be true. And then it has warmed up, so yeah, I do have a t-shirt, shorts. That's about it, that's about it. All right, we're gonna check apparel. The sales are way different from the Citadel, and that's kind of interesting because we usually don't see that. Usually the sales are pretty similar, especially off the clearance section. So yeah, let's check out the clothing because they had a bunch of stuff 40% off. They don't have anything 40, but I got a bunch of 30% off, so we still gotta check. Y'all know this is my favorite section right here, 30% off clearance. So let's check, man. I've already bought a bunch of clothes today, but it don't hurt to look, right? It don't hurt to look. Of course, when you look, you end up buying, but still, let's still look, see what's up. $21. Oh my, oh damn, Nike, y'all making me mad. This ain't my size though, fortunately, but these are so comfortable. I freaking love. I freaking love these, like the fleece shorts, but $22 and then you get 30% off on top of that. Wow. Nike shorts are here, $40 for these. Okay. I was like, these shorts are comfy, but they're yoga shorts. I probably know yoga shorts. $25. Normally $55 apparently. These are mediums, but they got them in large as well. I don't really see any shorts that I need though. Don't really see too much in the shirt section. Let's see how much these are going. $50. You get 30 off. Dude got Zoom Freak backpacks that I did not know existed. Normally $90. I saw. Well, this actually. Wait, hold on. That's actually pretty good material. And look at how thick that strap is, and wow, that's actually really good material right here. Normally $90. This one has a price tag of $60, but I think this one, yeah, this has a price tag of $35. We do get that 30 off on top of that, so not bad. Didn't see much on that rack over there. Let's see what's going on over here. NFC Champion hoodie going for $75 right here. Okay. Gotta be a little cheaper though. Come on now, man. That is a size small. The LeBron jacket, $250. That is retail. We did see that at the clearance store for cheap, way cheaper. Probably gone by now though. Jordan jacket going for $150 right here. Normally like $250. Okay, that's interesting. That was a size medium. I got all happy by seeing this, but this is a Garoppolo jersey, man. Ain't nobody want no damn Garoppolo jersey, dog. Come on now. Normally $140 down to $100. That is a medium as well. Miami Heat authentic blank jersey. Normally $2 down to $200. Oh, we got a couple of them, and we also got a Phoenix Sun one. So I think that this one's a small. It's a size 40. That is $129. Okay, $200 down to $129. Stanford hoodie right here, going for 55, normally 65. What the hell is this? It's a sweatshirt? Like, what the hell? Like a polo brand? Oh, it's normally 400. What the hell? I didn't know they had hoodies. Wow, what the heck? What kind of... Is that cashmere or something? What the hell? I've never seen this before. Wow, what the hell? I'm tripping out. 400 down to 350, size large. I'm more familiar with these. This is the Tech Fleece hoodie, 160 down to 100. That is an XL right there. Oh, I was like, this is dope, but this is little kids. Or women's. 80 down to 60. That would look cute on girls. Okay. Jordan t-shirts, 30% off. I don't know what the price is. These are $20. That's pretty clean for 30% off. So you get another $6 off. So what? 14 bucks for those. I would assume that's pretty similar in price. Hoodies. Oh, jackets down to $30. So $80 fleece jacket down to 30 bucks. These pants right here, these sweats down to $20. Oh my goodness, that is extra small. Do they have other sizes of it? Yeah, these are the sizes. Oh no, they're all extra small. My bad, you guys. Got all excited. Dude, got these fleece. Dude, got these sweats right here. These are Jordan brand as well. $20. Large, $20. Wow. This is $30. You do get 30% off. So, holy crap. That's like 20 bucks, dude. $21. 21 freaking dollars for a Jumpman. Wow. 45 minus 30% off for camo. Is that camo hoodies right there? Super Bowl jersey, $70. You do get an extra 30% off. Yeah, if y'all into the Super Bowl, that's what's up. Are these like football t-shirts, I guess? 15 bucks, normally 55. Is that the normal price? Wow. All right, gonna wrap it up. Did I even include Bossco a lot in this video? I don't know if I have. But yeah, go check out the channel. Link in the description. Go check it out. 23K strong. But yeah, let's wrap it up. Let's get out of here. All right, guys, that was the Torrance Nike Outlet. Once again, I do apologize for the video being so bad. It was so shaky. Do apologize. I just finished editing and I was like, man, that's shaky as hell. The settings on my phone was not right. I do apologize. I think I have one more that's like that, and then the rest should be smooth. I did work out my camera issues on my phone and stuff. So yeah, my bad, you guys, my bad. But the Nike Outlets, hope you guys were able to hit them up this weekend. They had crazy steals. I heard a lot of people getting retros for 20-30% off. It kind of depends on which outlet you went to. This one and plenty of other ones that they have a heat wall and you don't get 20-30% off. Some of them they just throw them in the back wall. It just kind of depends on which Nike outlet you do go to. They have a lot of leeway, so each one kind of does what works for them. You know what I'm saying? Like most of these retros, they're still gonna sell at regular price, so they had them at regular price. The muslins, was surprised as hell to see those. Those even left before we even left the Nike Outlet. We looked back again and they were already gone. Man, it's crazy how things are. But yeah, hope you guys were out and about during Memorial Day weekend. There were a lot of sales out there. The apparel, there was all kinds of apparel on sale. Found all kinds of dope stuff. Retail shops as well as the outlets. So hopefully you guys were able to grab some of that. If that's what you do, if you didn't find nothing, it is what it is. But yeah, got plenty of videos coming. Video quality will get better. I do apologize, but yeah, got plenty coming. Working a ton, so I did bank quite a few videos. Probably gonna go out this week as well, since I can't go out next weekend. Working all next weekend. So yeah, got plenty of videos coming though. Hopefully got you guys a video every day, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah, subscribe, do all that good stuff.